This is August the 4th, 2010. The power is out here. It's in Hamilton, Ohio. It's about 10:30 at night. Severe thunderstorm. Power is out. You can see the lightning. When lightning like this, I mean for like 45 minutes. And I've never seen so much lightning.
Mine's just as strong as yours. Hey Dad, you got any fresh D cells?
What do you need them for?
My big red flashlight.
No, those will do for now. I had put the last ones in here.
Oh, yours is bigger than mine.
Yeah, that's a 2-cell. That's a 3-cell.
Huh. No, I think. Oh, whatever. I got my big ass flashlight now, so. Get out of the street.
See anybody coming? In the distance I can hear lots of sirens, so there must be fires or something somewhere from lightning strikes, because I'm going to tell you, there's a lot of lightning.
Well, this little thing don't put out no light, man.
It's LEDs. It's just a small area light. It's not a flashlight. You guys want to hop in the car and go storm chasing?
No.
I do, but Mom won't let me.
Maybe they're escorting an energy truck. I mean, you and I both know we probably won't have power till like the morning, dude. That is a lot of sirens. A lot of different sirens. I remember a storm kind of like this back in the morning stuff a long time ago. Yeah, that is a lot of sirens. Ernie, get out. See, Dad, get out of the damn street.
I'm not in the street.
Get over here. No more EVs running for you, sir. Go wasting yourself on power. So much family. What the hell kind of sandwich do you make? You know you're not getting any of that, right?
Wait,
Because every time it flashes, it overloads the photo cell and you just get a string of white.
I see it on the screen.
Is this waterproof? You have this good cracked white coat. Dad.
What?
Is this waterproof?
The little radio?
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright.
Well, resistant.
Well, yeah, I mean, it'll survive in the rain is what I mean. Yeah.
You can drop it in a lake and then it work.
Well, no, but I'm just
Ernie,
saying.
I found what took out the power. There's a stray branch in the road.
What's in the road?
Stray branch.
I saw that stray branch.
You can hear the river running, dude.
No, that's that water
Or the gutter.
that's going out of that guy's sump pump right back here.
Where's a sump pump? Where's a septic tank?
Everybody's got a septic tank, sort of.
Called the sewer.
We don't have septic tanks here. Our water runs into the waste
And why does that guy have a sump pump?
drain.
He apparently has a septic tank. Yeah, there's just a lot of sirens out here.
You talking to Michael?
Hello?
Hello. I was. Hello, Mr. Keys. Huh. I was talking to Keys.
Where's Michael?
Yep.
So Michael, I need one of those little paddy things, those little tripod things.
Gorilla Pod?
Yeah.
Ernie, if you were going to traffic